power, speed, and comfort. Gear shift, everything about cars. Welcome to all car lovers, and today's video. We're taking a look at, what do you prefer? One of these actually surprised me. Today we find out together, which one is truly better. Let's dive in. Number 1, Rolls-Royce Noire Droptail. $30 million. Taking the number 1 spot is the Rolls-Royce Noire Droptail, officially the most expensive car in the world in 2026, with a price of around $30 million. This masterpiece represents the peak of bespoke luxury, handcrafted with incredible attention to detail and produced in extremely limited numbers. Fun fact: this model features a removable carbon fiber roof, offering an open-top experience without sacrificing rigidity or elegance. Number 5, SP Automotive Chaos. $14.4 million. In 5th place, we have the SP Automotive Chaos, priced at about $14.4 million. This hypercar pushes boundaries with advanced engineering, extensive use of 3D printed components, and performance figures designed to rival the biggest names in the industry. Which one is your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching.